It is a beautiful morning. I'm in St. Augustine Beach, Florida, and I'm on my way to get breakfast at the Metro Diner. I got my brother-in-law Leonard behind me, and it is a beautiful day. I'm here at Bike Week 2020. We're going to get breakfast, and then we got to get the motorcycles cleaned up. Look at all these bugs. We rode last night. It took us 10 hours to get here. It was 600 and something miles. We was running pretty strong, I guess, to all the gas stops and stretching your legs. Took us a little bit longer than I expected, but we're here. Now it's time to get the bikes cleaned up. Breakfast is this way. Metro Diner, that's what we're looking for. I don't know exactly where it is. It wouldn't pull up in the navigation for some reason. Now I'm just gonna have to look for it. Metro Diner. There it is. Let's see it right there. Last time I ate at the Metro Diner was in Alabama, and they had chicken and waffles there, and that's what I'm going to get today. So there it is. Go ahead and park beside this street glide here. Let's go inside and get something to eat. We just got through eating at the Metro Diner, and it was delicious. And we're on our way to the Harley-Davidson shop in St. Augustine. We haven't made it past the car wash yet. We're looking for one that, you know, there's a lot of automated car washes, but we need one that has a spray off, so we can get all these bugs off of the bike, and even on my helmet. You see all those bugs on that helmet there? So that's where we're going. Let me tell you what the air temperature is. It is 77 degrees at 11:42 in the morning. It feels awesome out here. We are almost at the Harley shop. Well, there it is right there. My goodness. Nice Harley shop too. Let's see. Bike parking only. Let's get in here. See what they got going. They got a huge sale going on today. It says bike parking only. Where do you park your bikes? Okay guys, so we're here. We made it to Atomic Harley-Davidson in St. Augustine. So Atomic Harley-Davidson. That's how you pronounce it. But that is the. Take a look at that color. Wow, that's neat. They have an eagle eye there. What do you guys think about big wheel bikes? Are they a thing of the past? I think it looks good. So put in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Man, look at the lounge area. This dealership is awesome. I just got my bike washed. We just left Atomic Harley-Davidson, and I just got my motorcycle washed. So shout out to the guys at Atomic. Thank you for washing my bike. I really appreciate it. I had bugs all over it, and the service department was nice enough. The guy offered and said, hey, why don't I just take it back there and wash it for you? I appreciate that. Thank you. Beautiful weather, and we're just out having a good time. This is what it's all about. We are crossing over the bridge of lines into St. Augustine, downtown St. Augustine Beach, Florida. All the bikes in the middle of town square. We'll probably park somewhere down here. St. Augustine, we just got off the motorcycles. We made it to the Harley shop. We're gonna go in and take a look and see.
So for our t-shirt wall, that top row is the backs of everything. And everything in the little squares underneath them is gonna be the fronts.
Oh, okay. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna put this away and look around a little bit. So that's the oldest wooden schoolhouse in the USA, St. Augustine, Florida. If you've never been to St. Augustine before, St. Augustine is a really nice place to visit. More laid back than Daytona Beach, especially when it comes to bike week. A lot of people come from Daytona and they ride over here just to enjoy the historic town there. We're going back to the bikes. Go over by the, you know what, we'll probably come see the fort with Reggie. So you want to see that another time?
That's fine.
Yeah. Guess we just head back now. All right, I'm in St. Augustine again, crossing over the Bridge of Lions. Another beautiful day. He was here yesterday, but now Dad and my uncle with me. So we're going to take a little quick tour of it and then head to Daytona. We haven't even been to Daytona yet. Yesterday there was motorcycles all up and down here. So I don't know, now the motorcycles are on that side. Yesterday there was motorcycles on this side. So you saw most of this yesterday, so I'm going to stop the camera here. On my way to Daytona Beach. Man, look at that. Oh, go ahead. Yep, look at that. I'm here at Bike Week. Okay guys, so I'm here in front of J&P Cycle, and there's something I've been wanting to do for a long time.